to a new what a day video. Made my big bottle of water, link it down below. My voice is so messed up. I feel so puffy. I had so much salt last night. We went to Expo West, like one of the biggest like expos for natural foods in like the United States. And it's just so many people, so many talking. There are like parties, whatever. We went there last night, had dinner at like 10:30 at like some really bad steakhouse place. So we had so much like salt and I don't know. I came home with like the biggest stomach ache and feeling so bloated. I took these like Arrae, the bloating pills, and these are kind of like herbal supplements and they worked amazing. So that was great, but I still woke up feeling so grouchy. So I'm gonna really focus on hydrating today. That's honestly the only thing you can like really do. Lots and lots of water. Anyway, today's video is sponsored by Athletic Greens. As you guys know, I absolutely love Athletic Greens and I make it every single morning. It's just like the best start of my day. I literally wake up looking forward to making this. So yeah, let's make it. For everyone who's new to my channel or has not seen me talk about Athletic Greens yet, AG1 by Athletic Greens is a nutritional drink and it has 75 of the highest minerals and vitamins all in one. So they produce everything in New Zealand with very high quality ingredients. It supports your gut health, it supports your immunity, it supports your digestive. So especially for me after a night out like this at a steakhouse and being so uncomfortable, this is the way to go. I love starting my day with it. It gives me like an instant energy boost. I used to like have my like coffee or matcha first thing in the morning, but now I switch that up with my AG1 by Athletic Greens. So I will have this before I go to the gym. Max and I are obsessed with it. I feel it's just such a good way to start your day with because you just know you kick it off the right way. You know, you get all your nutrients in your body need. So if you want to try it out and order it, you will actually get 5 little travel packets ready. I always love taking these when I'm traveling, when I'm on the go. You know me, I love sticking to my routines a lot, and anything to make me feel good, like I am taking with. I don't care if my suitcase is really big. You will also get a 1-year supply of the D3 liquid. So really amazing. You can go check in the link down below. Yeah, bring me back to life. Cute. Got them done right there.
Oh, really? Good.
So lately I've been incorporating a little bit more strength training into my workout routine, and also of course because of that I'm adjusting my nutrition a little bit. If I'm training a little heavier and using heavier weights, you probably want to fuel your body after. So I'm focusing on incorporating a little bit more carbs and also incorporating more protein because that is the most important, especially if you want to build up more muscle. So today we're doing lower body, glute activations and some strength training. Oh, so freaking good. I really love this smoothie. It's actually a smoothie I also have on Soulsing Body. Ooh. It is the vanilla date smoothie, so it is in the platform. The app is coming out very soon, guys. I'm so excited for this because it will be so much easier to like track everything, to find your recipe. So you'll find like the ingredient list, step-by-step video. I have in here like almond milk, cinnamon, dates, and then normally there's oats in here, but I ran out of oats, so no oats today. And then vanilla protein. Get always a lot of questions about what protein I'm using, so I'm just gonna show you quickly. I recently started using this one from Ritual. I really love it. It is plant-based protein. This is the vanilla flavor, and it has like 20 grams of protein per serving. So it's no artificial flavors, no soy, no gluten, all of it. But yeah, because I did quite a heavy workout, I am also going to make an avocado toast with eggs. I always feel like I'm very repetitive with my breakfast, but it's just the best freaking thing to eat. Like, I just love it so much, and it's a great way to add in extra protein for breakfast. So that's what I'm gonna make. Okay, so here is breakfast. We have an egg, avocado toast, and then I have my protein smoothie. Yum. Okay, it is lunchtime. A couple days ago, I bought this really big fennel. Pretty vegetable. Funny story, I actually really used to hate the taste of fennel. I thought it just had such a strong taste. It was often paired with like white fish, and whenever it was in a dish, I just like absolutely disgusted it. But now recently, I really started to like it. So I'm actually recipe testing the new recipe for the next meal plan on Soulsing Body. I have made this recipe already before. It's absolutely delicious. It's super fresh. You guys are gonna be obsessed with this new plan because it's coming out in April, which means it has all like the spring produce, spring ingredients, and it just like fresh and delicious and light. I'm gonna make like a hazelnut arugula salad, and then for protein I'm either gonna use chicken or a salmon on it. So let's see. Okay, this salad looks absolutely delicious. Like, this is giving me all the spring vibes. So I have arugula, fresh fennel, some roasted hazelnuts, some Parmesan cheese, and then I put like a Dijon mustard like salmon on top of it. Yum. I love how this is full of protein, super fresh and delicious. Moment of truth. It's so delicious. So I actually use like a sherry vinaigrette or sherry vinegar, which is actually really delicious in this particular salad. You can also make this completely dairy-free without like the Parmesan cheese, but I do think it gives like a really nice touch to it. So it's very delicious. So as a little snack, we're gonna have this. It is basically a date stuffed with matcha hazelnut butter. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely delicious. It has some dark chocolate around it and then a little bit of sea salt. I feel sea salt always makes it better. I mean, you guys know how much I love like my chocolate throughout the day. I have chocolate almost every day, either after lunch or often like after dinner. Wait, you can't see it. You can see it here. Look at that. It's so good. Obviously the matcha hazelnut butter is pretty hard to make yourself, but you can make chocolate covered dates very easily. Chocolate and it's such a delicious snack. You can easily store it into your fridge. So if you feel on a Sunday like you kind of want to like meal prep or whatever, have like a snack ready, then I highly recommend stuffed dates with chocolate. Delicious tea. I always get these from the brand Yogi because I love the little notes on it. This one says, "The heart sees deeper than the eye." Ooh, spiritual. That's what in it. Okay, it's almost dinner time. The clock just changed. I'm kind of wondering if it's lighter later right now or if it's get darker sooner. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm really trying to stay hydrated. I just feel I haven't been like drinking as much water, but I do really like my Stanley cup. I know all of you guys are always obsessed with my water bottles. So am I. These are Target, literally sold out all the time, but I will try to like link them as well. I honestly don't really have a lot of time for cooking because I'm gonna see some friends tonight and I still have some leftover rice. So I was thinking of making some kimchi fried rice. Honestly, if you don't have a lot of time and want to put something quickly together, this is the recipe. Like you can literally make this within 15 minutes. It's a Korean dish and I'm so sorry, I will probably not follow all the ingredients exactly that's supposed to be in it, but it's just more of a mix match to make it easy. So let's get cooking. So for dinner tonight, we're going to make kimchi fried rice. We often have this dish like once a week because it's so easy and so nutritious. I absolutely love incorporating fermented foods into my diet, so I will do sauerkraut or I will do kimchi like in this dish. Fermented foods boost the number of beneficial bacteria or probiotics into your gut and support your overall gut health. So let me show you how I make it. Can we take a quick little moment for this olive oil? It's called Single and Fat. The branding is absolutely amazing, but it also tastes really delicious. So put that in there. Here is a dinner. Honestly, this recipe was so freaking easy. I made it in less than 10 minutes, maybe 7 from prep till cook time. So I have rice, I have tofu, I have some zucchini and then some green onions on top, kimchi, some soy sauce, and then I also added some fresh cucumbers. So this is dinner. Okay, my whole kitchen is finally clean. And then after dinner, I always like love to have something sweet. So I also often have like a little chocolate or a little cookie, or I have some Greek yogurt with berries. It kind of like just depends. And look what I found in the freezer. I defrosted it this afternoon. It is a cookie from Nowhere Bakery, and she makes these amazing freaking cookies here in LA. And this is one with like vegan caramel. They're like gluten-free, soy-free, all of that, but they are so delicious. Have them. And then of course, have that with my cup of tea. I hope you enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day. I hope you got some inspiration maybe for some meals. Let me know if you have any questions down below. And if you want to follow more of my recipes or my meal plans, then you can head over to Soulsing Body and start a free trial now. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys very soon. I'm gonna enjoy my caramel macadamia cookie.